Forecasting is tough. Forecasting is really hard, and the incremental issue of just getting a forecast wrong and the impact on your portfolio is so large that it could actually erode value as well. So I said to myself, nonetheless, Alex, believe it or not, you can be wrong at times. So we did the Aussie forecast. So I went to the greatest minds across the world, and we did a Bloomberg survey, and I said, all right, guys, tell me what is going to be the earnings per share on the all share next year. And then I'll plot it against what they actually were. So here we go. What I'll plot first is the actual earnings per share on the all share, so the South African Stock Exchange, and that's in the gray line. And then I said the greatest minds in the world. I mean, analysts from London, New York, Frankfurt, everywhere, their combined views on what's going to happen in our market in the next year. So I plotted that over. So the red line is what they predicted would happen, and the gray line is what actually happened. So you can understand the issue if you're overweight equity because you believe that your forecast is correct, and this is the end result. The difference is so large that it could be a monumental impact on your portfolio. So I said, well, let's look at GDP, charted GDP. This is the actual quarter on quarter. It's a much easier number to predict. It doesn't vary that much, so you'd sort of expect 100% accuracy here. But yet still, we're seeing this mismatch, right? I said, well, let's not be completely unfair with the world, and let's give unemployment a go. There's the actual unemployment, still upward trend, but let's just have a look at what the predictions were. So once again, we can see it's off. This is less than 26% predictable. Now you're asking us to put a portfolio together predicting what's going to happen tomorrow if the smartest minds in the world can do it. So it really is a point to note. And here's a good quote that I found to actually explain forecasting to us. An economist is an expert who will know tomorrow why the things he predicted yesterday didn't happen today.